Hello, Teacher Riza here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated on my videos. In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve genetic problem related to codominance pattern of inheritance using a Punnett square. When we say codominance, it happens when the alleles of same gene are present and both are equally expressed in the phenotype of the offspring. The problem is, determine the possible traits of the offspring if a black chicken is mated with a white chicken. First thing to do is to construct a Punnett square. After that, we're going to identify the genotypes of the parents. Let's assign B, all in capital letters, for the black chicken, and WW in capital letters for the white chicken. So we start by bringing the alleles of the parents to their respective quadrants. Allele B is crossed with allele W, and the result is a genotype that is BW. B is crossed with W, and we get a genotype that is BW. B is crossed with W, we get BW, and B is crossed with W, and finally, we get a genotype that is BW. Based on the result of the Punnett square, we can say that the offspring is 100% BW or 100% speckled or checkered chicken. That will be all for now. I hope you learned a lot from this video. See you again next time.